guys! Welcome to the Baxter family, and today we are going to be unboxing a Super Mario starter course set. Lego starter course set. And because we opened this bought this at Smith Superstores for like £39.99 or £35. I can't remember. But yeah, so somewhere around 30s of the cost of this thing, and because we bought this at Smith Superstores, they gave us a Nintendo Switch box thingy to put your Nintendo Switch in and to store all your Nintendo Switch card thingies. And it's Lego Mario, so pretty cool. They gave us it for free because we bought this. So yay! Now with my trusty scissors here, we're going to be opening this. Oh yeah, what does the set have? Did you ask? No, you probably didn't, but I'm going to tell you the answer to that question anyway. This set comes with a start pipe, or a starter pipe, a goal pole, a Bowser Jr., a Goomba, and a mystery block, and of course, Mario. And there's a bunch of other sets you can get to make your Mario course bigger. So now, with my trusty scissors, we're gonna open this. Would have been better if I used a knife to open this instead. Oh, I see tape here. Yay! Okay, we got this bit open. Now time for the other bit. Yeah! Look at this. Ooh. Dun 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 dun. What is gonna be inside? I can't open it. Dun dun. Lego! And guess what? More Lego! And more Lego! Oh, this is gonna take so long. And more Lego! And more Lego! And more Lego! Yay! And constructions. Also, like constructions.
Instruction?
Yeah, how to build it.
Yeah. Okay.
But if you don't want to use this, there's this app where you can download. And it'll I think the app tells you how to build this thing. So yeah. Anyways, so find this in the box. And what is it? Mario! A creepy Mario. On the box and on the internet, I thought this would be a little bit bigger, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, it's a creepy Mario with no legs. And we need battery. Of course, and a screwdriver. Which we don't have one right now. But, I guess I'll have to build this thing. So guys, there's a bunch of packs. The Lego packs have numbers on them, except this one, but because it says 1, you're probably guessing this should be one of the first ones you have to open and then build it together. Yeah, so the number 2, number 5, and all, number 4 free, all of them. So yeah, I'll see you back when I finish building all of them. This one. Oh wait, no, it's this one. Yeah, this one. 0. So guys, it turns out the only way, it doesn't have the constructions in this. You can actually only, being shown how to build this. Only if you get the app, it will tell you. This is the only way to, know or find out how to build these. So yeah, app. I have finished the Mario. Looks super cool. I'm now working on the Goomba. As you can see, he's not very finished, but I'll finish him soon. And at the back, put that piece there. Almost done. And the barcode. Goomba. Let's test this. Now if we turn it on. Turn it on. I have finished the Goomba. The Goomba works! Yay! The Goomba is really cool. Pretty cool. So guys, I finished the starter pipe, or the starting pipe. So let's see. Turn on Mario. Dun 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 dun. We've did the ending of the level thing, and let's see if it works. Mario, the ending's right there.
Maybe he needs to. No? That's all right.
I hope that isn't broken. This isn't the final course. This is just a mini course that we've made.
Where's Goomba?
Yeah, there's Goomba. This is a mini course. You don't need to do this, but it shows
Where's
you.
the next one? 4? Number 4?
Oh, number 4. Yeah. Wait, we gotta test this one. This is our mini map. It's not finished, but this is a starter one. We're obviously going to change this one at the final. So. So guys, Daddy built this one. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it makes music when he's on.
Oh, she's in the meeting's belly.
Wait, is it? Oh, wait, you have to. That's cool. So guys, this is the Cloud Daddy built. Okay, let's turn on Mario. cool. Let's go to the next one. Lucky block or mystery block. Pretty cool.
What's that one do?
Oh yeah, we already showed that one. But we'll show it again, I guess. It just does that. It just flies about. Mini tower thingies. Next, we're gonna build Bowser Jr. I have finished the boss battle. Bowser Jr. Okay, so let's see. So we have a little Bowser Jr. on my little platform, you see here? And then we're gonna get Mario. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, broke. Yeah, boss fight. Pretty cool. Guys, I finished these. You meant to put the pillar on here, and Mario would have to jump on this, and then this would fling. Yeah, pretty cool. We also have the lava thing, the Mario to jump on and stuff, and tower. Put Bowser Bowser Jr. on, and then Mario to do this, and then jump on him. Okay, guys. When you finish it, it doesn't really tell you to make the specific map. At the end, when you finished building all the pieces, you actually use all the blocks and you make your own course. So instead of it telling you to make this course that it tells you on the guide, you can make your own course. It's pretty cool. So I made my own, and I guess we should try it. I think the it tells you how many coins you got when you finish the course. Pretty cool.
So what's your score?
My score's 27 coins. Not that bad from one run. comment down below if you would like me to open more Lego Mario stuff. Please, I want to open more of these. This was super fun. Yeah. Comment down below if you want us to unbox any more Lego Mario toys. This is really fun. So, bye guys. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notifications bell so you're told when we post our new video, and you can see our new Epic Gamer video. So yeah, bye bye. Boy, hi Philippines. Super Mario. See you later.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.